Happy New Year everyone, I hope you're having a great start to the new year, as today's cocktail to kick off the new year is the Elderflower Gin and Tonic. Because for any gin lover I would recommend this, and I will show you how to make an Elderflower Gin and Tonic to kick off the new year. Right, get your gin glass and put some ice. Because with this it's got to be a build, so I will show you how to do it. Right, get your jigger and put in 10 ml of Elderflower Liqueur. We're using the Germain brand. Right, 10 ml, which for the international audience is 0.3 of an ounce. Right, 30 ml or 1 ounce of the gin. We're using the Tanqueray, as I do like Tanqueray for any gin, especially with the cheaper brands. Right, okay, we'll add a dash of Angostura bitters. What you want to do now, guys, is get 2 cucumber slices and add it to the glass. Right, let's do the first one first. Should just go around the glass. And we'll put the second piece. What we want to do now is add a bit more ice. First we can. There we go. I think we'll add a little bit more gin. I don't think 1 ounce is enough because we're going to top it up with tonic water, but we're going to add another 10 ml of gin, so altogether it will be 40 ml of gin. And the last thing for the Elderflower Gin and Tonic is to top up with tonic water. We're using a Fever Tree, and I would highly recommend. Good brand. There we go. Right, here's what we're going to do, guys. I think with 2 it's a little bit too thick, so we're going to take it out, and I want your opinion on this. I think this looks better with the 1 slice of cucumber. Right, as you can see, we removed the second layer of the cucumber slices, but we'll use it as a garnish instead. Because I don't think it really suits it with 2, it looks a bit clumsy. I think that looks better, and looks a lot better, the presentation in my opinion. What do you think? Because I think it looks a lot better now in the presentation. Well, how does the Elderflower Gin and Tonic taste? To me, it's quite a refreshing drink. It is nice, that, because it's certainly complemented with the gin. It's a nice layered one. I certainly recommend 40 ml instead of 30 ml if you didn't. But if you don't like tonic water, I would recommend lemonade, as that is popular with people that don't like the bitter taste. It's a refreshing drink, that's what one thing I will admit, and it's certainly quite nice. Especially, you can see where it's got its light yellowish colour from the Elderflower Liqueur. I certainly love my gin. I would recommend it to anyone, especially with tonic. I would. Right, but that is all for now, guys. That is the Elderflower Gin and Tonic. I will be doing a non-alcoholic series, especially with more gin. I will be mixing it up a bit. But the next cocktail video, guys, will be the non-alcoholic version of the Mojito. But don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It, as I really want to hit 500 subs. I'm going to be ambitious this year. 500 subs. We're on 221 subs, and I do appreciate all your support from last year. And if you've been here from the very beginning, then thank you for your support as well, as you've been fantastic. I say about hope you But I hope you all have an awesome 2020, guys. Cheers.